Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Nano Banana. If you're using any phone or any PC or laptop and you want to use Nano Banana, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply go for a website which is Gemini.com. Here's the website which is Gemini.google.com. You can easily use this, but if you're on your phone or smartphone, any Android or iPhone, so you must have to go for App Store, and here simply search for Gemini, and here you must have to install this application. Once you have installed, you have to go ahead to open it, and I have an update, so I'm going to update this app. So we just have to wait for until the update. So after installing process, you must have to tap on open to open the app, and here you have to log in with your Google account. Once you have logged in, you will get the tools option here. Simply tap on it and you will get different tools, and here's the top one is create images with the Nano Banana option. Once you have that, you must have to tap on it and it will be enabled, and here you have to simply describe your image. For example, in my case, I'm going to describe the image. Once you have described your image, here I have written that a cookie store in the street, so simply tap on this send option and it will take a while. It might be take some seconds, in a few for 4 or 5 seconds. So you must have to wait for that, and it will create an image which you have described. And here you can see there's an image of I have described. There's a cookie store in the street, and you can see there's a name of the cookie store is the Sweet Gram, but I'm going to change the name. So you just have to simply enter here that change the name. Here you can see I have read that change the name of the store to the name. So once you have that, you must have to tap on the send option, and it will create an image with the new name of your store. So you must have to wait for that here. Or if you want to upload your images on this, so you can easily upload that. Here you can see that the image has been updated, and here's it is with the new name which I have. So in this way, you can easily create new images, but if you have your own image, you can easily upload that here. Simply tap on this plus option, and from here, select files or gallery option. I'm going to select gallery from here, and here you have to simply select any photo. In my case, I'm going to select this one. Simply tap on that, then tap on this done option. Once you have selected your photo, you have to describe that which you want to do this photo. Here I have uploaded the photo and I have read that make its color green and should be in the forest. Once you have described your image, so you must have to tap on the send option and it will create the image in which you have described. So you must have to wait for it, and here you'll get the image of your description. So in this way you can easily create images using Nano Banana in your phone or laptop or PC. So thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.